Yo, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Tech. Hope you're all doing well, and we are back with another video, and this time is of another unboxing. And this is actually the Galaxy Book from 2021 in 2022. Yes, the Book 2 is out, and I did cover it when I went to MWC, but this one is courtesy of Vodafone UK, which I really appreciate. But you know what? Let's get to unboxing it, and we'll give our first impressions of it, man. So again, before I go forward, a big thank you to Vodafone UK for sending this over. As I'm recording it right now, man, look, we just hit 20K. It's the 9th of March. It's late at night. It's almost like midnight and probably into the next day. And Vodafone's help over the years has really just helped the channel get to where it is. And that's just a little appreciation to them. They've been helping and they've been showing real long-term support. And I really appreciate it, man. So definitely check the links in the description below for all the latest deals that you can get on the Galaxy Book. Yeah, let's get into unboxing it. So we've got it here, man. This is the Galaxy Book. Now, this is the Intel version, I believe. And the Intel version here does have the i5 11355 7G. Obviously, it's 15.6 inch full high definition display. It's got VRAM that's shared with the 8 gigabytes of memory, which is LPDDR4X. And we do have 256 gigabytes of M.2 PCI Express Generation 3. And you've got the Wi-Fi 8X that's built in with the Bluetooth 5.1. And it's the Mystic Silver color. And this actually comes with Windows 11 Home. Okay, Intel 11th Gen. Now, since it is on Vodafone, you are getting 5G LTE connectivity that's in there as well, which is something that honestly, I just wish all laptops had, you know. So yeah, we're pretty much going through the motion. It's in the Galaxy Book, right at the front, and obviously Samsung right there. So yeah, this is definitely interesting, but yeah, let's get into it. Now, usually I prefer laptops, as I video edit a lot. I prefer laptops that come with dedicated GPUs just for editing. But you know what? This could be really good for script writing and really getting some scripts and stuff done. But all right, let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Oh, nice and thin. Here's the Galaxy Book Generation 1. Worth it in 2022. All right, we're gonna find out. Again, I was doing content for Microsoft. Laptops were my thing, so I'm gonna try and hopefully get more laptop coverage on to the channel. All right, let's put this away. Man, big thank you to everyone in your support for getting the channel to 20K subs as of the 9th of March, 2022. On the 14th of February last year, we hit 10K subs, and you know, I'm grateful, man. I'm really grateful. So this is the super fast charging, and I believe this is 65 watts. Yeah, this is the 65 watt. So this is the 65 watts version, and it's USB-C to C. It feels really high quality. So we'll put this to the side for now. Let's bring this in, and ooh, okay, this is the Galaxy Book by the looks of it. Although it looks like the Samsung logo is upside down, it isn't. It's more just based on it being offset when it's open. Now, I would actually low-key prefer it to be in the center. It would be nicer if it was in the center, in my personal opinion. But yeah, this is the Galaxy Book. So what do we have in terms of ports and connectivity? Okay, so we have here USB-C, HDMI out, USB-A, and also another USB-C, which is great. So it supports charging. On the other side, what do we have? So we do have, I believe this will probably be the SIM ejector tray, and also the headphone port, another USB-C, and a Kensington lock, I believe. All right, let me just get my SIM ejector pin, pop this out for a minute, and let's see what's in there. All right, so we do have a SIM card that's in there, supplied by Vodafone, and micro SD card support. Brilliant. So it's not eSIM. You can actually put a physical nano SIM in there. Honestly, I just wish every laptop had a SIM card slot that I can put in and just not worry about Wi-Fi. So this is the Galaxy Book. Let's open it up. And what do we have here? Okay, so this is the Galaxy Book. So we've got the Intel Iris Xe graphics with the Core i5 11357G, 8 GB of RAM that's shared, LPDDR4X. The trackpad being offset, and this is something that they did with the Book 2 that we noticed as well when we went there with Sound Mobile. The trackpad is offset. Now I'm guessing this is obviously for a fingerprint sensor as well for biometric unlock, and you should hopefully get Windows Hello. But so far, this could be really good for typing. Now, is it worth it in 2022? Potentially, yeah. But the 12th gen ones do feel and look a lot sleeker, I have to admit. Not sure if I've got any charge in there. Oh, okay, this goes all the way to the back. Now, it's not a full-on 360 hinge, but as you can see from the top, yeah, it goes all the way back down. Okay, interesting. So bring it up. Could be a decent laptop in terms of just staying always connected, and also for scripting, because I script pretty much most of my videos, you know. But I do go freestyle as well. Okay, let's see if we've got a bit of charge. If not, pause, I'll connect the charger and we'll come back through the initial setup phase. Okie doke. So we're going through the initial setup phase, and it's got Windows 11 Home out of the box. Okay. Yes, United Kingdom, that's where we're at. Skip having a second layout. All right, so this is actually showing a mobile service, which is dope, which is very dope. This is Vodafone UK LTE, long-term evolution. Connected, excellent. Honestly, I really wish every single laptop had a SIM card slot to just put in. This is brilliant. This is really just giving me great first impressions to be able to just put a SIM card in and be always connected and not have to worry about Wi-Fi. That is great. That is great. And also you can, just use a secure VPN. My service of choice is NordVPN. Definitely check in the description to get your 2-year plan with an extra month for free, and also use my discount code as well. Let's skip this for now. But yeah, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. And obviously you get that with the Book 2 as well. You do get that with the Book 2 as well. Cool, so we are on the main desktop page for the Galaxy Book. And yeah, very, very, very interesting with the initial setup. I mean, this is Windows 11. I still haven't really fully come around to Windows 11, and I'm just gonna put it down to the fact that I think I've been so used to Windows 10 for so long, right? So that's just kind of been me really. System, so if we go to About, as we can see here, the Intel Core i5 11th Gen 357G, and it's at 2.4 gigahertz, 8 GB of RAM, shared of course with the Intel Iris Xe graphics, and you've got 256 GB of internal storage. We'll go to System, we'll go to Display. It is a 1080p display. Let's just scale it to 100% personally. Prefer it to be pixel dense. And landscape, advanced display. It looks to be just a 60 hertz panel. Yeah, looks like it is. And it looks like it's an LCD panel, to be honest. TFT, brightness is not bad, it's decent. Brightness is good. It's charging up at the minute. Okay, still got some charging now, which is all good. But yeah, this is just going to be a very interesting one to use, and so far it feels decent. I would say obviously the book 2 that I just covered when I went to MWC definitely feels a bit more sleeker. The AMOLED display is definitely nice. But yeah, this is not bad. Not sure about the trackpad being off center, man. I blame this on Danny. He's just got my OCD just kicking in a bit. Should be in the center, and I would prefer the logo at the back. But apart from that, port selection is really, really good, all things considered. USB-A, that's 3.0 speeds, headphone port. This is so killer, man. SIM card and micro SD card with in the same tray, Kensington lock. And then here, HDMI output with the USB-C charging and another USB-C. I don't see the Thunderbolt logo on there, so I don't know if it's Thunderbolt compliant, and you've got another USB-A port, yeah. So yeah, take that. That's really nice. It's a full keyboard. I would have done away with the key, the number key personally, and just had a more centered keyboard with bigger keys. The keys feel a bit soft and mushy. Doesn't have that tactile confidence that I would want in a keyboard when I was typing in my credentials to log in with Windows and everything. But I really just like the always on connectivity with the Vodafone 4G LTE that's there as well. This is, yeah, every laptop should have it. But yeah, honestly, just wanted to get this quick unboxing and in early impressions out of the way. I'm gonna obviously give you my first impressions, do a review on it, and see if this is a laptop that I can live with. Even though as a video editor, I do prefer laptops with dedicated GPUs, minimum 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, and no less than 6 cores and 12 threads, if not 8 cores and 16 threads. But yeah, we'll see. That's it. Definitely check out the links in the description below for all the latest deals on the Galaxy Book with 4G and 5G LTE on Vodafone UK. Appreciate them supporting. Thank you for helping me hit 20k subs. I appreciate you all. There's so much coming in this month that I'm going to be giving back to you as my audience. And yeah, that's my initial impression and unboxing of the Galaxy Book from 2021 in 2022. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. Enjoy videos like this. You know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one, man. Peace.